St. Mary of Bethlehem Underground Church. The location of this church is on the northeast of St. Anne Church, a few dozen meters east of Nestorian Church. Camille Lenard did not mention this underground church in his book, nor did he show its location on his map. Similarly, there are not any notes of travelers or any other mentions in historical or contemporary resources. The only reference to this underground church has been made in a recent publication of 2006 by De Vivre and colleagues. In this publication, the definition of the church has been done as this half-vaulted chapel is reached by a door, then by a few steps. It's vaulted and the double arches rest on consoles, one of which presents in relief a patriarchal cross. On the sign near the church, its name is written as St. Mary of Bethlehem Church. On the west facade, it has a small rectangular-shaped opening with a width of 2.4 meters with an iron net-shaped door, and there is a very small square-shaped opening on the right side of the door. This entrance is not exactly in the center of the west facade with an internal width of 8.6 meters. After descending 8 stairs with total height of 1.6 meters, the main floor of this underground church is reached. The internal height of this underground church is 4.1 meters from the main floor to the top of the arch. Its apse is in the east direction after descending 2 more steps with a total height of half meters. The internal height of the church is lower in the apse at 2 meters from the floor of the apse until the ceiling. The maximum length of this church is 19.7 meters and the widest part of it is 8.9 meters. The plan of this church has a rectangular shape with a semicircular apse in the east direction. There is a niche in the south wall of the church near the apse. There is a small circular opening on top of the wall, which is the only window on the church at the back. 2 niches in the wall of the northeast part of the apse were most probably used for ritual ceremonies. The iron door of this church is unlocked so everyone can enter it, but it seems to have been abandoned for a very long time. The main part of the church is man-made masonry, but the apse part is carved out of the rock.